Survival blueprint for the human race is climate restoration. In a world plagued by the harrowing effects of extreme climate change, the urgency to navigate a sustainable path forward has never been more pressing. With each passing day, we witness the devastating consequences of our actions on the planet. But amidst the chaos and uncertainty, there emerges a beacon of hope in the form of Peter Fikowski's groundbreaking book, Climate Restoration: The Only Future That Will Sustain the Human Race. In this episode, I bring to light that as we stand at the height of environmental catastrophe, Fikowski's work serves as a strong call to action, spells out the critical importance of restoring our planet to ensure the survival of future generations. Through meticulous research and impassioned writing, he lays bare the stark realities of our current course while offering a roadmap for a more sustainable tomorrow. At the heart of Fikowski's message lies the recognition that we are not merely passive observers of climate change, but active participants in shaping its course. With this understanding comes the responsibility to enact meaningful change, both individually and collectively. Climate restoration empowers readers to confront the challenges ahead with courage and determination, equipping them with the knowledge and tools needed to effect real and lasting transformation. But why is this book so vital right now in the face of escalating environmental crises? The answer lies in our collective future. With each passing year, the window of opportunity to reverse the damage inflicted upon our planet grows smaller. We cannot afford to delay action any longer. Fikowski's work serves as a rallying cry for all those who refuse to stand idly by as our world teeters on the brink of collapse. Moreover, climate restoration transcends the realm of mere environmental advocacy, offering a complete vision for a more just and equitable society. By addressing the root causes of climate change, Fikowski demonstrates how we can simultaneously tackle other pressing issues such as social inequality, economic instability, and geopolitical strife. But how does all of this tie into the use of eco-friendly products and green coatings for building restoration? The answer lies in the interconnectedness of our actions. Just as climate restoration requires a concerted effort on a global scale, so too does the adoption of sustainable practices in our daily lives. By embracing eco-friendly products and green coatings, we not only reduce our carbon footprint, but also contribute to the larger goal of restoring balance to our planet. To sum it up, Climate Restoration: The Only Future That Will Sustain the Human Race is more than just a book. It is a manifesto for a better world. It calls upon us to recognize our shared humanity and to rise above the challenges that confront us. With courage, determination, and a commitment to change, we can build a future that is not only sustainable but thriving for all. You may like this quote from Michael Phelps, swimmer and most decorated Olympian of all time: perseverance, determination, commitment, and courage, those things are real. The desire for redemption drives you. What are your questions about this episode? We are always here to help and excited to answer them. Thank you for listening, and see you on my next episode.